Selamat saudara to my lecture and my friends. Today, my group will present the title is about the power generation in electrical system, which is biomass power plant. So first of all, I will introduce myself and my teammate. So my name is Lim Jason. I'm from section 3, and my other teammate which is Muhammad Shadat and Muhammad Muslim. So I will start to my first part. So what is the biomass power plant? The biomass power plant is an industrial facility that generates electricity by burning organic materials, so means biomass. That comes common source like wood, food waste, crops, and others. So and it is renewable energy. Okay, next. So what is the common process for generating electricity in a biomass power plant? Which is I've divided by 4. The first is process combustion, which is burning organic material in the presence of plenty of air, is organic oxygen. So the next is gasification, so which is heating organic material with very little air, turning it into a gas. So the gas which is there can be burned for energy or used to make other products. So the third is anaerobic digestion. So it is a biological process where bacteria break down wet organic waste in the absence of air. So the last is fermentation. It is a biological process where microorganisms convert sugar into other products. Alright, the next, biomass source. So in the biomass source we have many lah. So I will take some main of the biomass source, which is industrial residue, agriculture crops and residue, animal residue, municipal solid waste, forestry crops and residue, and the last is sewage. So this is all my parts. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. Today we are taking a look at how we turn a waste into valuable electricity using a biomass power plant. It begins with waste or our biomass fuel. This fuel goes through combustion, creating heat. This heat drives a steam turbine which is connected to a power generator, and finally this entire process will produce electricity for our home. Now let's break down to the main construction element that make this happen. A biomass to energy facility is built around 4 primary components. So the first, we need the biomass fuel storage for a continuous supply. Second is the combustion chamber or digester, where the fuel is burned or processed to release the energy. Third, the boiler or the turbine system. This is the heart of the power generation. And finally, the emission control unit, which is the crucial for managing the plant environmental impact. Now, I will explain about the working principle for the biomass power plant. So firstly, biomass is burned in the combustion chamber, producing hot gas. This hot gas heats water inside the steam boiler, turning it into the high pressure steam. The steam then rushes to spin the steam turbine, which is a turn drive the generator to produce AC power. After passing through the turbine, the steam enters a condenser with its coolant back into water. A pump then sends this water back to the boiler to repeat the cycle.
So next slide, biomass generation power in Malaysia. Okay, first Malakov Corporation Tanjung Bin Biomass Project, Johor. Use empty fruit branch, AFB and palm shell from palm oil mills. Produce renewable electricity and as part of Malakov Green Energy Initiative, help reduce dependence on coal and lower carbon emission. Next, Simdebi Biomass Power Plant Negeri Sembilan. Convert palm oil mill residues, fiber, shell, AFB into bioenergy. Supply clean electricity to nearby industrial facilities. Promote zero waste and circular economy in palm oil industry. The third place, Segunto Bioenergy Plant, Sandakan, Sabah. 10 megawatt biomass plant power by palm waste. Connect to Sabah grid, providing power for local communities. Joint venture between Malaysian and Japanese partner. Last slide, advantage and disadvantage. For advantage, renewable energy source, carbon neutral, sustainable manage, reduce methane emission, waste management solution. For disadvantage, air pollution and emission, high cost, logistical challenge, and land use concern. That's all for us. Thank you, Doctor.